Hello there! I believe that most of you watching this clip like to do gardening and grow your own food. However, I bet that you think it's quite expensive with all the materials. So today we will make some free pots and we will put some more or less free soil into the pots so we can grow vegetables for free. So come along! We got a whole lot of basil and tomatoes that we have to put into bigger pots. So let's go to the pots. Here are the pots that I got in the supermarket for free. It's about 10 liters. This maybe this is 15, this is 10, this is about 8. So this is the original ones. This costs like $1, maybe this costs $3. So if you have 100 plants, it will be quite a lot of money. But now I've got them for free in the supermarket. This is old flower pots. It's been used for flowers with water. All we need is a drill with a 10mm thing here. I make about 6 holes. Oh. Few more. And a shake. Okay. Maybe one more. And to make the potting mix, we will use some compost. I got some compost here. I'll just throw it on the ground. And we need soil. This is just dug up from the garden, 100% free. As well as the compost, 100% free. And we will use leaves. This is about half-year-old leaves since last autumn. We add some more compost. This is not all broken down, but it's going to be fine. And as it sits in the pot, it will break down. No problem at all. Need quite a lot. So some more soil. Plant them very deep and mix it up with the homemade soil. All kind of stuff in there. Okay. And that's it. That's how you make free pots and free soil to grow them in. Thank you for watching.